Welcome to STEMx India.
And now it's taking me to the desired location.
Envisioning the role of technology in transforming education, STEMx serve institutions with hands-on and technology-enhanced learning solutions across classrooms, innovation centers, STEAM labs, science and engineering labs in educational campuses and organizations all over India. STEMx Group were one of the first to introduce cutting-edge technology in K-12 education and training since 2020. 3 years back, STEMx introduced LEGO Education's hands-on robotics, coding and early concepts of STEM. STEMx Studios in Bangalore, India are spread across to Whitefield and Indiranagar. Today's STEMx online STEM program has no limit to region, as we have students from India, Dubai, USA, Singapore, England, Nepal, Canada and Japan. STEMx is a proud technology partner for more than 25 plus schools in Bangalore, India to run in-school STEM program for more than 7+ years. Founders of STEMx have been working with parents, teachers, schools and governments to deliver playful learning experiences that bring STEM subjects like robotics, coding, 3D printing, electronics, space science and drones to life for the students and make learning fun and impactful.